Are you ready to elevate your taste buds and nourish your body? Introducing the chickpea salad, where flavor meets freshness. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 100 gram or 1 cup chickpeas soaked overnight and boiled for 5 minutes. 50 gram or half cup sprouted green gram. 1 medium cucumber diced finely. 1 medium chopped onion and 1 medium chopped tomato. Lemon, salt and some coriander leaves. Add chickpeas, green gram sprouts, cucumber, onion and tomato in a bowl. Mix them well. Add some lemon juice and salt to taste. You can drizzle various seasonings like chaat masala and black pepper to it to elevate the flavor. Garnish it with coriander leaves or a little honey. And there it is, your tasty and healthy chickpea salad ready to be served. In a world of bland meals, this salad bursts with flavors and health benefits. This salad is a protein powerhouse. It provides almost 1/3 of an adult's daily protein needs. American Diabetes Association recommends legumes such as chickpeas as a rich source of dietary fiber. A 2018 review found that a high-fiber diet helps lower glucose levels and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Chickpeas have low glycemic index levels, thus maintaining the blood sugar balance. Chickpeas and sprouted green gram also helps to decrease the risk of heart diseases by lowering cholesterol levels in blood. So, looking for a tasty dish to improve your heart health? Look no further than the chickpea green gram salad, which boosts with high fiber, potassium, B vitamins, iron, selenium and magnesium. Fun fact, chickpeas contain zero cholesterol and are gluten-free. Dietary fibers act as bulking agents which increase the feeling of fullness for a longer time, which in turn reduces appetite. Studies have shown that this helps in digestion and weight management. Other benefits of this salad include reduced blood pressure, improved mental health, protects the body from cancer, and reduces chances of anemia. So why wait? Dive into a world of deliciousness and make the chickpea salad your new favorite, a delightful way to a healthier you. These healthy chickpeas can be made into a chickpea hummus. Wanna know the recipe of this nutritious dip? Follow our channel for more such updates. Thanks for watching and hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video.